guys, welcome back to Camila Carol 2009, and today we're gonna show you our puppies, and here they are. They're two cute ones. Their names are Mommy and Papi, and I'm gonna open them so you can see them better. They're right there, and I'm gonna show you how to do their food. So here's the food. It comes with chicken, peas, and carrots. So the way to put it on them is to get their plate and pour the food in the plate like that. And I'm gonna put this back in there, and you're gonna put the plate back out in here. We're gonna put the food back. Now I'm gonna give them water. So you'll need water that's not cold, like it's hot. We're gonna pour it in the bowl, like that, so it's all full. Then you're gonna put it back, so it does not get cold or anything. So kids, don't be mean with puppies, because if you be mean to them, they'll be mean to you. If you don't be mean to them, then they won't be mean to you. So bye!